Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is KNN with a simple program. Now, yeah, let us see what exactly is KNN. So, KNN is a non-parametric model. It deals with many things. For example, it is the concept is K nearest neighbors. That is expansion here, nearest. For example, let's take an example for you to understand. For example, we can take, let's say you are in a room full of musicians, or in a room of people who like Marvel movies and who like DC movies. Now you have a person, you don't know what is his likes, right? Now you will divide the person based on the K nearest neighbor. So whether he is a Marvel guy or a DC guy. Okay, let us see one simple example of scenario. The diagram will be now visible. Now let us classify what exactly is this. We have a class A of stars which are in red, and we have class B of triangles which are in let's say green, right? So you want to identify what is this question. So we have two circles, k equal to 3 and k equal to 7. Let us understand the star marks are the Marvel guys, and the triangle with green are the DC guys. If a person is hanging out with that group, right? If a person is here, let's say, what will be the proposition? We'll take the majority. What is majority? DC folks. Then the K nearest neighbor is DC guy. So what if if we take the bigger circle? So it have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So the Marvel fans are more than the DC fans. Then we can classify this particular person as a Marvel guy. Just like that. We are simplifying everything with the K nearest neighbors. So this is simple program for classifying the K nearest neighbors. Okay. This is the theory part. So this is the comment one. So not an issue. So we are calculating the Euclidean distance. We're getting the square differences, some of the square differences of the values which we are passing as an array. Then we are doing the KNN classify. We are classifying them. We are returning the sum of squares into 0.5. Okay. And also the distances we are calculating with the for loop. And we are sorting the distances and finding the nearest neighbors with the neighbor of 1 and the neighbor distance of k. Okay. Now, let's see the main part for the technical people who don't understand it. So we have this kind of parts. Let's say they are red, blue, and red. Okay. So classify 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 7 to 3, 5. So for this, let me share the Excel sheet for a better understanding. So I have an Excel sheet. So now let us understand it. Okay. First, let me open the values. It is 1, 2 is red. So 1, comma 2 will come B. It is red. I'll color it later. Okay. 1, 2 is red. 3, 4 is blue. 3, comma 4 is blue. 5, 1 is red. 5, 1 is red. 7, 2 is blue. 7, 2 is blue. 3, 5 is red. 3, 5 is red. Okay. Now, what do we have? 4, 3, we have a new data. We don't know how to classify. This is a question mark. This is 4, 3. It's a question mark. Okay. So now, let me put red as red. Red as red. So blue, let me put blue as blue. So this is blue. Now, this color we don't know. So we'll put this as a, let's say, green value. So how can we know what color is this? Let's say I put K nearest neighbor as 2. Okay. 2 means this one and whatever the neighboring. So if I put K2, what is the nearest one here? The neighbor is blue. So we should get a value blue. So let me say take K equal to. Okay. Okay. Now let me run KNN dot P1. So what will be the value? Blue. Of course, blue. Let us take 4 values. K equal to 4. 4 nearest neighbors. Okay. Which is closer. So this is close. So from question mark, 1 value, 2 value. So from question, what is the next value? 1, 2, 3. This is nearest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. So one will get blue, other will get red, another will get red. So the majority is red. Now the value should come red. If you're in Ken, predicted class for the new data point is red. Okay, that's it for this KNN. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.